What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send photos in TikTok messages, step by step, and what to check if you don't see the option. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, open an existing chat or start a new conversation with someone you follow and who follows you back. Once you're inside the chat, look at the message bar at the bottom. Tap the plus icon or image icon next to the text box. This will open your phone's photo gallery. Select the photo you want to send. You can usually choose one image at a time, preview it, and add a short message if you want. When you're ready, tap send, and the photo will be delivered in the chat. If you don't see the option to send photos, there are a few things to check. Make sure your TikTok app is fully updated because older versions may not support photo sharing. Also, check your phone's permissions and confirm TikTok has access to your photos. Keep in mind that TikTok messaging features can vary by region and age, and some accounts may have restrictions. And that's it. That's how you send photos in TikTok messages and what to do if the option isn't showing up. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.